Junjumedi said, I can see some pine sacken and open Sujao. Within the Enoch, Kwesi, Walanyo, Wallace, a good year catch back coupe, the only nomenclature of professor's degree in sports, the Al Regina Wallace, the nation's presenter, and the Messin Kunya Econo Quantum Coordinates Maudu and Sacken and open so, or Ghana good year 8 me a jow. 1xbet, home and attach have always told you that betting is better than Sakawa. Bet the intensity watches who train before didn't before train Kumabia, within the Kumasa Manum. Catch up with your phone and 4 year old mouth fast for none who couldn't know for us 1xbet and no, and a mamma for your financial freedom and another brunye. Umudin ye, New Year's so a Santo so a bomb and never at your quid amount. They won't bet with money that you can afford to lose. Sikaira, and your yano, and only did bet. Yes, I bet you are. When you bet me a call, I didn't bet you as a shoe, 3 bet your boom. Only moon feeling with train for whom you, Nemum, a busia de Japadi says Kauquaja, as I see no baby and your bet your cotton, Faketo Quajacasia. Na would mean I could try 1xbet and no and a bit young boy Amaniama at your quay at the amount. Jeffas Mr. Dreta she and so a boy Jumapa say infections netted to gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, white feet and asudi poor, a do proper around a mobile home, a multi-meeting check, wherever shops and pharmaceutical shops in the mo on Sabbath me aka Jeffas now boy Amaniama at your 2 year at the amount. Now if you said more gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel for a pampas web pimonas and do ya die pain etu ase eyi akiri ebo ma opobodon sem ejene pintin radim ko heye ashama na me market ana fitema so on sabetia can sedimo gel and roll on obetia from 0208219129 na on sedimo gel and roll on from penfo yenhwehwe ko ehwemo a emaniama entibidu yimfama wemu ana ayeta akiri abom sikadwetire me na no penso yeden komo no 18 asabrel EPL yenhyase yemfa matches Saudi twinsa pm no na twede so Bedford H Liverpool 3-1 and Eddie Kensington times we team sampa Liverpool for Edda Dwene ho a o man tiase but bonya kuma hwesena hyanisi koye no but nyamya atuma English Premier League matches no 8 to also be uninterrupted so say Arsenal and Newcastle United be share kana for Everton Everton Sunday affair Brighton and Hooves Albion na o me share kan Leicester City ni Fulham and Edebe boss na for Manchester United and Bournemouth and so Edia boss nti we and matches awodwa and also 8 to fam na yentin to mu so FIFA for akache dia Gianni Infantino one and FIFA president na sentem World Pele and as a Brazil Pele kan chini guye at the age of 82 years no Oden komo kakra tiansa bejansa wiase afena na nkebenya padia nkobia obesi stadium fofo na the Brazil Pele the din etiansa to sa stadium no nyesa so na wo stadium dada bi wo ho so na hwese na mesitie na ntimi si fofora na no so wo the Brazil Pele din atima famfam ho se be ya na nkoma bia nkyirima betiansa ba no se din fense World Pele no intimi enyira e wo san hye kweno na nipa biri na bisa organ ha se Accra Sports Stadium krampo hwese na mesiko so de ohini janto so antentam Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium no so kwa ye husu yi Kaneshi Sports Complex da Zuma Nelson din koto so no kwantentam na Brazil player aso ne Ghana ni tweka bia no ani embassy stadium fofo na emfa ne din to so na yenti ne Gianni Infantino FIFA president wodi eja FIFA president na atene kan so de ne komo 8 fensa to dwa no matete se Ghana fo bi hwanim se kwan bia so na yie no ombeko ye bi twantama player yi ni nyina amse santama ne fan player yi ni nyina nyame adoma mepem no mehye santama ne bi e de aba na amanfo ho se na nyama esi akoisan se player yi no miankasa megina mu Ghana Premier League week 10 matches no e ba ko Kansas Semenra empemfo me de South Standing fixture ultimate in term so sabre no na e House of Folk Accra Sports Stadium West University a yedi bronya no concert ko so hintina feni esisi wenti omuntimi ensi aka ho emani omkopi mo Cape Coast Sports Stadium wom AGB United Ghana's Dangote agama ni team no na 90 minutes of soccer fiesta na has 1 Bechem United 2 na se has Glasgow match it ebeji team no first time near wodi ntwo e wona group man so atimi se amanfo e de hye se has players makuma ko besenum ana wo the Black Galaxies camp ni na affect team no aniti na nei asenema akonyo na sen e de amom ebi nso agide pass scoreline de the true reflection of players a wo mugina musi akensi no West na Chelsea koya na se Bechem United for age omu 2 e wa akensi etime sa to dwem na no so boni akoma hwese na akensi ne koye e wa akensi no etime to dwai week 10 but Slavko Matic has a full coach na on the ball home after the game also impressed with games na boys na eda ne dino but they were disappointed with the scoreline.
First defeat as Hasselhoff coach, how does it feel?
Okay, nobody like to lose, but we give to opponents everything today. First 50 minutes, they scored 2 goals. We know they have good transition, but we make tactical mistakes. When it's open ball, when you don't have good defense transition, you must go back. We try to take the ball. We give them space. Also, they have one more chance, and they shoot. Everything we give them today. And after it's very difficult with young players. Also, they start to be nervous. Today we lose 3 points, very cheap.
Did they play to your instructions? Were you satisfied with how they responded to your tactics?
Absolutely, because you saw after that we continue to play. It's not easy, but we create 5-6 opportunity first half. Second half, we should again change some system. 4-3-3 on the end without fullbacks. 3-4-3 or 3-3-4.
I wanted to come back to that. What was the rationale behind that tactical switch? Play with a 3-back, a 4-mid, and a 3 up front.
No, okay, that give us more control. You see, we create not opportunity like we make a pressure, more pressure on defending line. But when you're losing in first 50 minutes, it's very difficult. You leave a lot of space, more for opponent, and we know that it will be for us difficult but we make, I say, very cheap mistakes. On the end, we have post. If Caleb scored that goal, probably can finish game 2-2, and last red card. It was too much from our side, too much. We give everything to opponent today.
You have a next game here on Saturday against Tamale City. How do you intend to respond after this defeat?
No problem. We will first to see about injury that we have, because some players complain. We will see we had red card. We'll make analysis. First now, we must think, we like to say, morning is much smarter than evening now. Calm down, focus, we must learn from it.
Slavko Matic has a full for Bruni Fita and Otene Cansor and Como Ajan, but Yakomu and a Kasim Okansi Mingle on a head coach Edma Bichim United, only Kuabenpon, Ukunini, Ukua Kese and Ra, now resting in Mexico, so DJ Tobichin Falkmuno, a Chebunia, Wawunta.
Thank you. You are the first coach to beat Slavko Matic. What made your side a better side?
You could see. In terms of any department, we outplay them in all the departments of the game, and we outscore them.
You said you were going to attack.
Yes.
I was in commentary position. I never saw you change the style. It was up until the end of the game.
Yes. That's how we play our game. We continue attacking. It depends on the situation of the game. When opponents start attacking you, you fall behind the ball, defend, and start attacking. That's exactly what we were doing.
It's a major confidence booster, especially after exiting the FA Cup and also drawing against City the last time in Bechem.
Oh, well, we are out of the FA Cup. So definitely our target is to be in the top 4. So when we lose this match, we will descend down. So we've made any possibility to win, to climb up, so that we can catch the gap between those up front there.
You go into that game against Kim Pfizer with a lot of confidence, I guess.
Oh, yes. Because beating Accra of folk playing, but we will not be complacent. Kim Pfizer, they are playing good football now. So we are not going to be complacent. We're going to work hard to win at our home ground.
Wish you the best in that game.
Thank you.
Ima.
Yes, boss.
Good performance.
Thank you.
You assisted, and your overall contribution to the team was obvious in this victory. How do you feel about this game?
I really feel good. I'm so excited. Playing again as a folk and winning the man of the match, I'm so excited. And
let's go back to the specific. Your build up to the second goal. When you got the ball, how were you able to skip past Otanga and then Zachary to assist Konkoni?
Yeah, the point is it's something I know how to do best. Unfortunately, I was operating from the wings today, and immediately the ball went to the space. I say to myself, this is what I do best, so I have to do what I always do best. So after taking on the ball from him, and it's left with the Atinga guy at the defense, and I don't have any option than to take him on as well. So I did, and I made it a goal for my teammate, Konkoni.
You seem to be enjoying your partnership with Konkoni and then your former teammates at Unistar, Sevas Mante. How is that partnership working?
Yeah, it's really working. It's really working because Sevas Mante is one of my teammates in Unistar, and we've played together for some few matches, so I know his style of play. And Konkoni too, last season we were able to play some few matches together, and this season I think we are playing the matches all together. So I think I really like the combination between the three of us.
How far do you think this team
can Bechem United Western Mexico Sophia Diam Quantaco na Senyamia Duma weekend so Lukubi between Chiso Koda we place ni kudu dia mtin sampanija aba Bechem no enyan kwala nije Nyamia Duma Western Nyama Besia ko but me to be sebo kra no one man supporter ura Ibrahim Wache yeka Ghana Supporters Union Gansua ono anade bai udi kan kofa glow for ebeta chiri boa ma omutwumadi a omudine etinesa akwani pa yeka nkofo so ede supporters eba krom ase ebobo mo ano fesa na esa branti ensudi makotene pa na esese kan de were kokose chiri ho a amana fubio no afeso ne masase kan so a ntakrabo ina adwane ampaniampa afeso ya womo de omo end of year party 18 times no woman supporter ede boshi bi aba na nasmo kan nyina ne se na oni bicycle kra na so timi to buses too edema supporters for the very first time in the history of Ghana Supporters Group na se say bosha wo hye ne se ansa na odi dwumadi betimi agu okra se penya odi supporters group nanim no agese wato aeroplane dia mom aeroplane so enye Uber aeroplane emu to best 340 seats betian samboa 8 basic competitions betian koso with national teams from under Black Stars ekopem under 17 damsels inano on betimi akwa akwata chiri aboa emaniema etian kwe woman supporter and say obeto play Ibrahim Wache and outsene kan say dia oso ye no na wato play no pese ba so ani so oso no kasada poti obeto play no ontimi enkyere okanya kantam de ne maame poster na ebo auditorium ho no dance ss poster no be why akisi wato play na sana wa why sa poster na despite the fact say etete one man supporter Ibrahim Wache on a devim about supporters union ewo Ghana medi usi ya na madawase na masa chel patient so mam say one expert omotechi na fi Jeffers health mixture the Jeffers and etechi sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel no so make for the amount na on set me kebia ya odi enfan say pain no etu free ho na paprechi kwatema and say ashama me market on sabiti akabi we mu any sponsors etechi de bo men na no penso dia o kensi un sempan sakan etimi ejao happy new year.